Don't you dare ever beg again, if you have in the past, for somebody to stay with you, for somebody to call you, for somebody to spend time with you, all that, etc. You deserve 100% of the person, not a fraction. So when people run from you, please let them run. I know it hurts. You have to process that. It's that abandonment, that rejection you feel, and you feel hurt. However, you're better off if they are honest and don't spend time with you. Honestly, you're better off. Because you want that whole person, not a half, not a fraction. You deserve the whole person. So when people run, leave, they're not giving you their entire selves. You got to be okay when people come in and out. You got to be okay when people run with you. You have to be okay when you are rejected or abandoned. It's better for you. And this should give you comfort. Have an abundant mindset rather than a scarcity mindset. When one person leaves, another one enters. When one door closes, another one opens. I know it's difficult. However, like anything else, it takes practice. You have to have many people abandon you, reject you, don't like you. Sometimes it's nothing you've done. Don't concentrate on why. Concentrate on moving forward. Nobody likes rejection. Nobody likes to have somebody feel like they're not good enough. Make them feel like they're not good enough. You are good enough. And always remember, when someone exits your life or breadcrumbs you or give you the minimum, only you can decide whether or not you are going to accept it. And always remember again, when someone leaves, God always replaces what's lost with someone or something, you know the B word, better. Now, what I'm about to say is not meant to put you down. It is meant to empower you and make you think. Sometimes when people don't want to spend a lot of time with us or they exit our lives completely, it's because it's something that we need to work on to become better. But again, let them go. So honestly, between you and God, sit down, meditate. The person that exited, did you do anything to deserve it? Is there anything that you need to change? Sometimes there is. Sometimes there isn't. And if there is, make the adjustment accordingly. Oftentimes when people exit like that, or give us very little of themselves, it can be a tremendous blessing because we respond and we don't react. Reframe the way you see people exiting out of your life. Reframe the way you see people because of nothing you've done, not wanting to spend a lot of time with you. Take care, you guys. There is a lesson and a blessing in everything that you go through. Reframe the way you see it.